Hey guys, welcome to the home of Dr. Craig Collier, where we're getting ready to have an online auction of all of the contents in this 9,000 square foot home. The auction runs from December 24th through December 31st, and this home is packed with great merchandise. Everything inside is restoration hardware, front gate, heritage Drexel. I can't wait for you to see the bar in the basement. It's amazing. Come take a look. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed your tour so far. We're now in my favorite room of the house. It's this beautiful bar room. It's like you're walking into a restoration hardware showroom. Take a look around. Pat, what are you doing? I've been looking all over for you.
Well, I think I'd take a little break here this morning, Brandon, and play a little pool. What a beautiful pool table this is.
Hey Pat, this is my favorite room in the entire house. This room is all restoration hardware from top to bottom. It's really like being in a restoration hardware design studio. And
it really is. A very nice, cozy bar. And also, Brandon, you want to point out the pinball machine right around the corner. That's another one of my favorites.
Mine too. Well, I hope you've enjoyed taking a look around at all of the items in this great auction. This is going to be an online-only auction running from December 24th through December 31st. That's New Year's Eve. You can find out more information at our website, www.steffengrp.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 260-426-0633. I'm looking forward to you participating in this auction.